There's only one villain waiting to stick it to you on the day you buy a new Jeep. And his name, depreciation. Think of this can of cola as my brand spanking new Jeep Wrangler. Then, I take it home. It's already lost 30% of its sticker price. Would you buy this used can of cola at full price? This is your Jeep 4 years from now. Then it gets into an accident. Totaled. And your insurance guy will likely write you a limp check. Optium will write you a check for what you paid, full price, including HST, for up to 7 years if you bought your Jeep new. And it gets even better. Optium will pay your original purchase price for up to 5 years if you bought used. No regular car or truck insurance even touches that. Buy new or used with Optium, and you'll never get caught shorted.